Technical advancements are revolutionizing the healthcare industry all around the globe, and our country is not far behind. Today, India is ushering in technological breakthroughs, and the growing startup culture has a lot to do with it. The best strategy for a successful business in the changing world of technology is to innovate or adapt, learn new technologies and evolve. The healthcare industry is full of examples of companies that are front runners of this strategy. Here are some of the technologies that are being incorporated and changing the face of Indian healthcare today. Healthcare is no longer limited to research and development in treating diseases and drugs. From devices that can do early detection of lifestyle ailments and dispensers that can help us manage our medication, to wearables that can help keep a track of our vitals, new and exciting devices are being built to solve the challenges and give better services to patients. Anupat is a point-of-care device capable of performing tests for multiple analytes on a single platform.
We know that India is at number 2 position in terms of diabetic population in the world, and in every 6th second one person die because of diabetes. This technology go beyond the one glucose test which is available in the market, and this give a very comprehensive solution for diabetes diagnostics and management. Not only that, in terms of the diabetes complications, and one such complication is kidney failure, where every year in this country more than 2 lakh population die because of kidney failure. This can detect that at a very early stage, so that we can halt the kidney failure for the long time with the oral medications.
The HbA1c is a marker for the diabetes, as increase in its level above normal indicates patient's last 3 months glucose level. The glycated albumin, blood glucose with the HbA1c can be useful for the confirmation in medical diagnosis of diabetes. The hemoglobin, serum albumin, all are laborious, time-consuming tests performed separately. But the instrument can be able to perform all tests in one go, easily, with same accuracy.
In our country, the lacks of private clinicians, they won't have their own pathology laboratory, particularly in tier 2, tier 3 cities. So for such doctors, there is no concept of diabetologist or logist in these small cities. The general physician is treating these chronic conditions like diabetes or even kidney failures. For such doctors or private clinicians, this type of technology will be the game changer. Without develop the infrastructure for pathology lab, this single device which we developed on the concept of lab on palm can help them to test and screen their patient on the spot in their clinic and get the result within a minute.
The main specifications of the device include on-the-spot testing, separate disposable strip for each test, tiny sample drop, no sample or reagent preparation required, no special storage requirement for test strips, Bluetooth connectivity, future expansion for more biomarkers.